Well, here we're going to do an oil change on the Bourbon. Danny, don't mess with it. So I already started loosening this. Here's the valve on the whatever went bad, so gas got in the oil, I guess. That's why it's being changed. Just going to drain it into a gallon ice cream pail here, and then dump it into the bucket that the camera's sitting on. Nice thick black oil. It's due for an oil change too, so. Last one was in January, I think, and it's seen quite a bit of use since then. So for oil, I use Rotella 15. That'd be a 40 heavy-duty diesel oil, because this thing has a lot of exhaust blow-by, and it's just a dirty old engine. And it burns oil when it runs 30 weight, but it's fine when it runs 40 weight. So, if it's happy running heavier oil, it's happy. I also replaced the voltage regulator, and now it charges, so that's nice. Just replaced that ball joint too. I had to drill it out half-inch. If anyone wants the details of what I'm using for this, because they don't make the original ball joints anymore, because that male part there is 3/8 inch, and now it's a half-inch one. If you want the details, just send me a message or leave a comment. I'll be able to help you out there. Give you the full details of what I used and how I did it. Yep. It's pretty boring just watching it drain. So I'll start back up when we get to the point where it's done draining. Out here we're getting close. Just a drop every once in a while. So now I guess we'll put the plug back on and let's see. Can you still see what's going on? Yeah. Good enough. Come on, last drop. There we go. Oh, quit.
Get over it, girls.
Can you guys behave? You guys need to quit. Both of you. There we go. And, well, now I'm going to take care of this bucket of dirty oil, and then I'll turn you back on and show you the rest of it. Yep. Well, here we'll start putting oil on it now. Try my best not to block your view. Sure flows a lot nicer than it does in the winter. I can't remember offhand what this takes, but it's either a quart or something close to a quart, or a little bit more, I forget exactly. but I'll probably end up going through the last of my oil here. Do-do-do-do. We'll stop there and check it now. And you let the funnel drip a little bit before you mess with it. Otherwise we'll make a mess of wherever we set the funnel.
So, air filter needs to be replaced too?
No, it just needs to have time to dry out.
I'm gonna go get some shoes on.
It's probably a good idea. Okay. I don't know if other people have a problem with this, but quite a bit of moisture in this engine for some reason, and it's starting to really annoy me. See if we can't scrape some more off the sides of this now that I just seen that it's caked on with moisture nastiness. Yuck. And there you have it. An oil change, pretty much complete other than greasing up the front end. Thanks for watching.